Welcome to this video, where I will show you how to enable dark mode in the Facebook Lite app on your phone. In this video, you will learn how to switch from the default Lite theme to the darker one, which helps save battery and reduces eye strain at night. First, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then, scroll down until you find the section labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand more options. After that, you will see an option called Dark Mode. Finally, choose the option to turn on dark mode. Your Facebook Lite app will instantly change to a darker background, making it more comfortable to use, especially in low-light environments. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.